I'm sure you've heard the news, eagles are fierce, but did you know each species has a secret hunting trick? Let's break down some epic tactics. The bald eagle, America's icon, loves fishing. They'll swoop down low over the water, talons out, ready to grip slippery fish. Snatch fish right from the water's surface. Meanwhile, the golden eagle is a mountain hunter, targeting rabbits across steep rocky slopes. Even foxes fall to its hunt, using powerful dives at over 150 miles per hour. The harpy eagle reigns deep in the jungle, leaping between branches in lightning-fast strikes, ambushing monkeys in the canopy, and sloths caught by its massive claws. Then there's the African crowned eagle, a silent stalker that glides through forests, grabbing prey nearly as heavy as itself. Each eagle's strategy is tailored to its home turf. Next time you spot one, remember, you're watching a top hunter. In action right before your eyes. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe now for more epic wildlife stories and exclusive content.